Hey,
Hey,
how are you?
sut wyt ti?
I'm good, thanks.
Rwy'n dda, diolch.
What's your name?
Beth yw eich enw?
I'm John.
John.
Where are you from?
O ble wyt ti?
I'm from New York City.
Rwy'n dod o ddinas Efrog Newydd.
How old are you?
Pa mor hen ydych chi?
I'm 25.
Rwy'n 25.
What do you do?
Beth wyt ti'n gwneud?
I'm a doctor.
Meddyg ydw i.
What's your favorite color?
Beth yw eich hoff liw?
I love blue.
Dwi'n caru glas.
What time is it?
Faint o'r gloch yw hi?
It's 3:30 p.m.
Mae'n hanner awr wedi 3 o'r gloch PM.
What's the date today?
Beth yw'r dyddiad heddiw?
Today is July 31st.
Heddiw yw Gorffennaf 14
How's the weather?
Sut mae'r tywydd?
It's sunny today.
Mae'n heulog heddiw.
Can you cook?
Allwch chi goginio?
Yes, I can cook pasta.
Ydw, gallaf goginio pasta.
Can I have a glass of water, please?
Allaf gael gwydraid o ddŵr os gwelwch yn dda?
Of course, here you go.
Wrth gwrs, dyma fynd.
Can we meet tomorrow?
Allwn ni gwrdd yfory?
Sure, that works for me.
Cadarn, mae hynny'n gweithio i mi.
What are your weekend plans?
Beth yw eich cynlluniau penwythnos?
Not sure yet, maybe relax at home.
Ddim yn siŵr eto, efallai ymlacio gartref.
How much is this?
Faint yw hwn?
It's $10.
Mae'n $10.
Do you have any siblings?
A oes gennych unrhyw frodyr a chwiorydd?
Yes, I have one brother.
Oes, mae gen I un brawd.
How do you go to work?
Sut ydych chi'n mynd i'r gwaith?
I go by bus.
Rwy'n mynd ar fws.
What is your favorite hobby?
Beth yw eich hoff hobi?
I enjoy painting.
Rwy'n mwynhau peintio.
Do you like to travel?
Ydych chi'n hoffi teithio?
Yes, I love exploring new places.
Ydw, rydw i wrth fy modd yn archwilio lleoedd newydd.
Have you traveled to other countries?
Ydych chi wedi teithio i wledydd eraill?
Yes, I have.
Oes, mae gen I.
Are you busy right now?
Ydych chi'n brysur ar hyn o bryd?
No, I'm not.
Nad ydw I ddim.
What's the best way to learn a language?
Beth yw'r ffordd orau i ddysgu iaith?
Practice speaking and listening.
Ymarfer siarad a gwrando.
How was your day?
Sut oedd eich diwrnod?
It was good, thanks.
Roedd yn dda, diolch.
Do you have any pets?
Oes gennych chi unrhyw anifeiliaid anwes?
Yes, I have a cat named Whiskers.
Oes, mae gen I gath o'r enw Whiskers.
All right, it was nice chatting with you. Take care.
Yn iawn, roedd hi'n braf sgwrsio gyda chi. Cymerwch ofal.
You too. Goodbye.
Ti hefyd. Hwyl fawr.
Goodbye. Have a great day.
Hwyl fawr. Cael diwrnod gwych.